Yo, Parry, what the shop do we by the water there?
On the second leg, Gatlin's got a lead. Asafa Powell needs to close this down. The Americans are ahead towards the halfway stage. Clean changeovers for both. This is going to be tight. The Americans are up front. Usain Bolt needs to produce the magic. USA, Usain Bolt. Oh, and there's a baton nightmare there for the Americans. Cometh the hour, cometh the man. Bolt for Jamaica, USA the silver.
Yo. Yeah, I remember man. Me dep on my way. In a traffic, brother. Yo, traffic on radio is crazy, blood. Oh, I'm so rich, blood. Ah, bro. Browning. Big one. Yeah, baby, I didn't talk to you now. I go on more. Bam, 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 bam.